Alright guys, so I finally fixed the drone. This is the part that was damaged. I'll show it to you guys.
I was hoping that maybe you could
get you a pod. You could become a giant.
This is the main board.
Or a puku. They've got a killer schnoz.
This right here is the compass.
That would be great.
We are getting you a pod, Fugo. That's a promise.
Thank you.
That part goes to the camera, that's to the motherboard GPS.
How are you going to distract Wolf?
My failure point was right there. I don't know if you can tell. Basically right there. That's my failure point right there. So they sent me a new ribbon cable and basically just swapped this out. You have one connection point there, another connection point right there. And this goes to the main motherboard. This part just goes around the outskirts part right here. So if you're watching my other video, basically just disassemble everything. Disassemble it. Now these guys are gonna be held on with some hot glue. So you need to get like some electrical tweezers that have like points on it, but be very careful, otherwise you can rip it. Potensic was kind enough to send me the gimbal support as well. Because on my side, on mine, this one cracked, but I've just been super gluing the crap out of it, and that's been working. I'm gonna see if I can reverse engineer this and maybe 3D print some of these, and maybe I could sell these guys in case you ever need it. But I do have a spare, so if you guys want to PM me, I'll hook you guys up until I can find a way to 3D print them. But it's pretty simple to fix these, assuming that you have access to parts. But other than that, I just took it out for a flight. It's pretty good. The gimbal's working, rotations up and down working, the compass was working, the GPS was working, so seems like we fixed it. Until next time.